Welcome to Odolor TV Xpander 101. Topic natin ngayon is changing the turn signal sound of our Xpander Gls.
Yan. See?
Once again, welcome to Odolor TV Xpander 101. How to change the turn signal sound. First step, press and hold the multi-information display switch for 2 seconds or more to switch from the setting mode screen to the menu screen. For the second step, lightly press the multi-information display switch to select the changing the turn signal sound. And then after that, the third step, press and hold the multi-information display switch for 2 seconds or more to switch from number 1 to number 2 sound. And then that's it. That's very simple. The setting changes to the selected turn signal sound. Congratulations, have a safe ride.
Hello guys, good morning. So welcome to Xpander 101. Okay? So today, pag-uusapan natin yung how to change the turn signal sound. Okay, itong aking turn signal, number 2 ito. Dati kasi number 1 eh. Pakinggan natin ang turn signal sound ng number 2 ha. See? Yan yung binago ko, number 2 na yan. Kasi yung dati niya number 1. So yan ang papalitan natin. Okay? Babalik natin sa number 1. Okay guys, so tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magpalit ng turn signal sound. Unang-una, hanapin nyo muna yung info button. Okay, nasaan ba ang info button? Iyan po ang info button. Okay, nasa left side ng steering wheel natin. O nasa left side ng ating infotainment. Okay, that is the info button. So all you have to do is to press. Okay, while you press this one, mga 2 seconds or more. Okay, then pindutin mo lang siya ng pindutin, hanapin mo yung setting. Setting menu. Okay, here we go. So nasa setting menu na tayo. All you have to do is to long press again for 2 seconds or more. So long press, 1, 2, then yan na yon. Okay, so hahanapin mo ngayon dyan yung turn signal sound. So para manavigate mo siya, pindot ka lang 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanapin mo yung turn signal sound. Ito ang turn signal sound. Okay, as you can see, sa akin kasi number 2 ang nakalagay, no? Number 2. Kasi pinalitan ko na yan. Yung original niya is yung number 1. So all you have to do is to long press again with 2 seconds. Okay, yan. Napalitan na. Naibalik ko na sa number 1. Kanina kasi number 2 yon. So binalik ko na sa number 1. So para makaalis ka dyan, hanapin mo yung return. So mag-navigate ka ulit. Pindot ka lang ng pindot. Yan. Nakita mo na yung return. 2 seconds again. 1, 2, then balik na sa setting. Okay? So labas ka na dyan. Okay? So pakinggan natin yung ano ha. Binalik ko sa original sound ng turn signal. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yan. Yan yung original sound niya. Okay? So Ulitin natin ha. Ngayon, ulitin natin kung paano ulit ang gagawin ha. All you have to do is to locate the info button here on the left side of the steering wheel, no? Sa left side ng infotainment natin. Okay? Ito yon. So all you have to do is to locate the setting menu. Pindutin mo lang yan. Pindot ka lang ng pindot hanggang sa makita mo yung setting menu. Yan na. Yan yung setting menu. So all you have to do is to press 2 seconds or more. 1, 2, ayan na, 3. Pangatlo, nandiyan ka na. So hanapin mo ngayon yung turn signal sound na symbol. Yung dalawang arrow yon, left and right. Eto siya. Okay? So para mapili mo yung number 2, kasi number 1 na yan ngayon. So ilolong press mo siya ng 2 seconds again. 1, 2, ayan, nagpalit na siya. Okay? To exit, navigate mo ulit siya, hanapin mo yung return. Ayan, nakita mo na yung return? 2 seconds. 1, 2, then balik ka na sa setting menu. Then back to normal. Okay? So let's see. Pakinggan natin yung turn signal sound ng number 2 na binago natin ha. Di ba guys? Ang cool niya, no? So 1 or 2 sounds. So thank you for watching. See you again next time to Xpander 101. Bye!